Hi everyone, it's Eli from GP Motors. Today, let's talk about the 7P chassis. It's the go-to for business. The classical looks and the smart design, powerful engine. The iconic Isuzu double V-shaped grille and the headlights are safety light driving. It also have an optional air deflector, also can reach cost wind and save fuel. The 3-seat fits almost work needs, and the console puts frequently buttons within easy reach, and the digital cluster lets the drivers see the vehicle data clearly. The classical 2-spoke steering wheel integrates the cruise control and the value control functions. Large storage compartments in the doors, such as the door panels, the center console, and the glove boxes in front of the passengers, and the top of the cabin. All these are form of a storage system. It's equipped with 4HK1 turbocharged diesel engine, and it can balance the fuel and the efficiency approximately like 100 kilometers, save 18 liters, and the maximum horsepower can reach 192 and of 5.2 liters displacement. Paired with 6-speed manual transmission, which makes it smooth and durable shifting, and the straight-through frame structure with various wheelbase options. It comes with 235, 75R 15.5 tires and a dual rear wheel design with a rear acceleration of 4.1, contributing improved fuel efficiency and vehicle performance. For urban delivery or specialized work, the 700P is the reliable partner and the cost efficiency choices. So, for trucks, please hit us GP Motors.